Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to delete your phone number from the Discord app on your Android device. If you want to keep your account secure and manage your personal info, just follow these simple steps carefully. First, open the Discord app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Settings icon at top right corner. Then, scroll down slightly and tap on Account. Scroll down and select the Phone option from the Settings menu. Tap on Remove Phone Number. Enter your Discord account password when prompted to confirm your identity. After entering your password, tap Done to complete the process. That's how you easily remove your phone number from Discord on Android. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.